so Kitty Girl doesn't get it that these are just little kitties on the screen, and so every time I go back and I mess with her, she thinks there's kitties. Watch.
Turn the flash on.
Here she goes. See, like she's tripping on it. Because she has her own little babies, and so there's babies on the TV. She wants to go rescue them. Watch her. She's gonna, when this one starts making that noise again, she'll rise up.
Yep.
Get some kitten formula. Thanks, Mama Cat. Yeah, exactly. Look at me. Thanks, Mama Cat. Get these little poo-poo heads in here. Oh, yeah. Oh.
I'm going to show you all my messy utility things. So everybody on my TV.
That's not yours, Greg, to post.
I'm not posting that. I'm posting the kitty watching the video.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I couldn't let him just stay outside.
Watch. I'll make him meow again.
You better get out of there.
Make him meow again?
Yeah. Messes with her. Okay, there you go. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. We're going to do it one more time. See? See? She's starting to get it now, though. She wants to save them kitties. Look, she's trying to get them. I want to shave them.
The kittens are stuck in the TV, kitty girl. You gotta save them.
Hey. Why are you up there?
She's like, this is... What the hell is going on here? Do it again, Sam. Rewind it.
She's meowing.
I know, it's tripping her out. She's like, those are my kittens? Or the...
There's one over there. This one's not going to get as much food as the other one.
No.
She's gonna go to her babies.
She says, I love my babies. My baby's ready for me to come feed.
She's like, okay, are you guys all okay? They're playing a weird joke on me. Yeah. They're playing a joke on you?
Yeah.
And go in there and let everybody eat.
Great.
Time for everybody to wake up.
Preparedness and things to come. Look.
Wake up, everybody.
That one?
Yeah.
Look at that one in the corner. He's dreaming.
Wait a minute. This one.
She says, turn off that light.
There's, hey, I'm trying to feed you. Sucker.
His name's Francis.
Mama. She's a talker. She talks a lot. She's always coming and telling us this and that, and she's a mouthy girl. Okay, I'll turn off the lights. There we go.
Hey, what the heck? Turn the light off.
Yeah, just letting everyone see. Oh, look at her. She's getting all fat.
Can't I see it? It's dark, right?
She talks a lot. She's a good mama. Yeah, you are.